Hello everyone, in this video we want to find the value of angle QNR. QNR. Solution. In the question we were given that PQ is a straight line and angle MRN equal to 41 degree. Angle PMR equal to 141 degree. So first, let us find angle NMR and angle PMR plus angle NMR is equal to 180 degree because angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So we can say angle PMR plus angle NMR equal to 180 degree. So let us substitute the value of this angle into this equation. 141 degree plus angle NMR equal to 180 degree. So let us transpose this to the right hand side and it will change to negative sign. So angle NMR equal to 180 degree minus 141 degree. So angle NMR equal to 39 degree. Let us use exterior angle of a triangle theorem to find the value of angle QNR. And the theorem says exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite remote angles. Let us consider this little diagram for better understanding of the theorem. Let us say this angle is A, this angle is B, and this angle is C. Exterior angle of a triangle says C is equal to A plus B. So let us use the theorem to find our angle. So we can say angle QNR is equal to angle NMR plus angle MRN. So angle QNR equal to our angle MNR is 39 degree. 39 degree plus angle MRN is 41 degree. 41 degree. So angle QNR equal to 80 degree. So the correct option is B. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.